Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notified about all our latest video. Don't forget to share this video as much as possible with your friends and family. Today topic is Indian Constitution. Top 50 question. Top 50 question related for Indian Constitution. Question number 1. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer option C. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 2. How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer option C. 12. Question number 3. Which article of the Constitution deals with fundamental rights? The correct answer option A. Article 12 to 35. Question number 4. Which part of the Constitution deals with directive principles of a state policy? The correct answer option B. Part 4. Question number 5. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? The correct answer option C. President. Question number 6. How many members are nominated to the Rajya Sabha by the President? The correct answer option B. 12. Question number 7. Which body is the guardian of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer option B. Supreme Court. Question number 7. Which body is the guardian of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer option B. Supreme Court. Question number 8. Which articles gives a special status to Jammu and Kashmir, now repealed? The correct answer option B. Article 370, now replied. Article 370. The correct answer option B. Question number 9. The concept of fundamental duties is taken from which country? The correct answer option C. Russia. Question number 10. Which article deals with the impeachment of the president? The correct answer option A. Article 61. Question number 11. What is the minimum age for becoming the Prime Minister of India? The correct answer option A. 25 years. Question number 12. Which amendment made the right to education a fundamental right? The correct answer option C. 86th. Question number 13. How many total articles are there in the Indian Constitution originally? The correct answer option A 395. Question number 14. Which body conducts elections in India? The correct answer option C Election Commission. Question number 15. The Union Public Service Commission is established under which article? The correct answer option A Article 315. Question number 16. Who was the first president of India? The correct answer option A Rajendra Prasad. Question number 17. Which part of the Constitution deals with emergency provisions? The correct answer option C part 18. Question number 18. How many types of emergencies are mentioned in the Constitution? How many types of emergencies are mentioned in the Constitution? The correct answer option B 3. Question number 19. What is the tenure of the Rajya Sabha? The correct answer option C permanent body. Question number 20. How many members are there in the Lok Sabha? The correct answer option B 545. Question number 21. Who has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? Who has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? The correct answer option C President. Question number 22. Money bill can be introduced in. The correct answer option B Lok Sabha only. Question number 23. Who is the constitutional head of India? The correct answer option C President. Question number 24. Which article deals with the abolition of untouchability? The correct answer option C Article 17. Question number 25. Who presides over the joint sitting of Parliament? The correct answer option B Speaker of Lok Sabha. The correct question number 26. Which part of the Constitution deals with the Union Executive? The correct answer option B part 5. Question number 27. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? The correct answer option B Chief Justice of India. Question number 28. What is the minimum age for election to the Rajya Sabha? The correct answer option B 30 years. Question number 29. The idea of the concurrent list in the Constitution is borrowed from which country? The idea of the concurrent list in the Constitution is borrowed from which country? The correct answer option B Australia. Question number 30. The President can nominate how many members to the Lok Sabha? The correct answer option A 2. Question number 31. Which article provides for the appointment of a finance commission? The correct answer option A, Article 280. Question number 32. Which schedule contains the anti-defecation law? The correct answer option C, 10th schedule. Question number 33. Which article deals with the amendment of the Constitution? The correct answer option A, Article 368. Question number 34. The concept of judicial review is borrowed from which country? The correct answer option B, USA, United States of America. Question number 35. Which language was added to the 8th schedule by the 21st Amendment Act? The correct answer option A, Sindhi. Question number 36. Which is the highest law making body in India? The correct answer option C, Parliament. Question number 37. In which year was the Panchayati Raj system introduced in India? The correct answer option C, 1959. Question number 38. Which amendment act made right to property a legal right instead of fundamental right? The correct answer option B, 44th. Question number 39. Which article gives the power Question number 39. Which article gives the power to the President to declare a national emergency? The correct answer option A, Article 352. Which article gives the power to the President to declare national emergency? The correct answer option A, Article 352. Question number 40. Who is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha? The correct answer option C, Vice President. Question number 41. How many fundamental duties are listed in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer option B, 11. Question number 42. Which article deals with the Uniform Civil Code? The correct answer option A, Article 44. Question number 43. How long can the President's rule continue in a state without parliamentary approval? The correct answer option C, 6 months. Question number 44. Who appoints the judge of the Supreme Court? The correct answer option B, President. Question number 45. Which amendment act is related to the goods and services tax? The correct answer option C, 101. Question number 46. The governor of a state is appointed by? The correct answer option A, President. Question number 47. Which is the highest court in a state? The correct answer option B, High Court. Question number 48. Which article guarantees equality before law? The correct answer option A, Article 14. Question number 49. Which article abolished Titles except military and academic. The correct answer option B, Article 18. Question number 50. Who among the following can remove a governor from office? The correct answer option B, President.